good morning. Thank you so very much. We are glad that you're watching. Karibu sana. Today being on a Saturday is all about Lifestyle Saturday. Na kila siku kwa Lifestyle Saturday tunafanya vitu vizuri sana. Just kukuelimisha wewe mtazamaji mahali popote ulipo. My name is Joseph Okio and today on Lifestyle we are talking about massage. Sijui nini huwa inakuja kwa kichwa yako ama kwa mafikira yako when we talk about massage, you know. Wengi wanaogopanga massage because wanasemanga tukienda huko kwa massage utaguzwa pahali alafu itakuwa tiglish. But tuko na Adha from Uzuri Institute. Remember, this program is sponsored by Uzuri Institute. You can actually visit them and see the courses that they offer. Adha is here and atakuwa anatuambia later on kosi gani tuna offer huku Uzuri Institute. Thank you so very much. Remember, you can interact with us on our social media platform. DigiTV on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, alafu pale kwenye TikTok. Now, if you are interested in calling us or giving us an SMS, you can call us or give or text us on 07900 105. Karibu sana mpenzi mtazamaji. As I said earlier, my name is Joseph Okio and let me go back to this side because nimeona Adha is here na kuna watu kadhaa. So Adha, you will tell us actually tunafanya nini leo and all these gang, what are they here for? Karibu sana. First, mimi nimekuintroduce tu, but jintroduce kwa mtazamaji, mwambie wewe ni nani na unafanya nini.
Thank you very much, Jose. Today, as a trainer from Uzuri, we have massage. And today, of course, I have come with my student. We're going to do massage. There are so many types of massage. Kama venye tu Jose ametuambia. Today, we are going to deal with Indian head massage.
Ngoja.
Yes.
Ngoja.
Yes.
We are going to deal with Indian massage.
Yes.
Unajua that name Indian massage literally talks of something like Indian.
Yeah.
So tell us what is all about ukisema Indian, because not Kenyan, Ugandan, Tanzanian. Why Indian?
If I refer to the origin of the Indian hand massage, ilikuwa inafanyika na Indians. Unaona ile kitu anakuanga nayo hapa?
The red thing.
Yes. It was involved together with massage.
Okay.
So that means before you are done, even after doing that sport, there is some massage. So kitambo ilikuwa inafanyika hapo that the sport, then there is just facial massage. But wakati ilikuja Africa, due to hatuko najua inaitwa aje. So from the origin, Indians ndio tukapata ni Indian head massage.
Okay. So hiyo huwa inafanywa kwa head peke yake.
So when it came to now Western, ama we say Africans, we involve the head, neck, and to some of shoulder.
Oh, some part of the shoulder.
Yeah.
So inaanza head,
head,
neck,
and shoulder.
And shoulder.
Yeah.
That is the only part yenye tunaenda kuwa.
Ndizo sasa tutadili nazo.
Let first you introduce our client and probably our student. Ndio tujue tunadili na akina nani.
Okay. Of course, our viewers, as we have first said that we are going to deal with the Indian head massage. We have Masi Maswamboi, who is a student in Uzuri. Remember, in Uzuri you have different courses under diploma, then in certificate, and some sort courses that is you can enroll yourself and be taking like barbering, massage, professional massage. You can
professional. You can stress that.
Yes,
professional massage.
Only yourself.
And also professional barber.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
So today we have one of our profession who is just about to finish the school.
Okay.
You can just say hi.
Hey, I'm Masi Wambui from Uzuri Institute, doing diploma in cosmetology.
Okay. Karibu sana
Masi. Because a diploma involves beauty skills and some hair skills in cosmetology.
All right.
Yeah.
Now, what are we expecting? Ni nini tuna expect from these?
Okay. What you expect, maybe like you need a service in Indian head massage.
Okay.
So like umechoka, so you need some relaxation. Maybe like you have head pain, so there are some movement ama some techniques we are going to use so that that client will be out of headache.
Okay.
Then after that you may find that you have a lot of tension. Ama you're not comfortable, like ulilala jana vibaya, then you're like natembea kichwa ikiwa hivi, so you need some techniques,
that kind of massage.
Yes, movement. Kuje utistiwe kidogo kichwa, then ukue comfortable.
Yeah. Kweli kabisa. By the end of the day hata mimi nadhani nimesimama sana huku.
Yes, actually for your profession you did some massage. Even if you are not going to use all part of what you are going to use, but you can apply some techniques and then you feel relaxed.
Interesting. Fair enough. Umesema that the history or the origin of all these ilianza huko.
Ilianza Indian.
Ndio ikajipata. But in India walikuwa wanafanya tu head.
Ilikuwa hata not even head. Just part of face.
Okay.
Hapo tu juu kidogo tu.
So hapo kwa forehead.
Yeah, kwa forehead. Then it came like ni kama a medicine. Sometimes tuna refer as a medicinal treatment.
Okay.
So like unaumwa na kichwa, you do some techniques, then unaacha na headache.
Now, before we start that kind of a massage, let's understand, because umesema mtu akiumwa na kichwa, umeongea kuhusu mtu akisikia umechoka kidogo, unatembeanga hivi unasikia huku hivi kidogo,
Gongo,
ama watu wa mjengo kidogo umeinua zile machuma ama umeenda gym alafu unasikia kidogo huku. What are the benefits? Tunaongelea kuhusu benefits ya all this kind of a massage. Benefits zake ni nini?
Yeah, in all in all, that massage benefit, they have so many benefits, but especially Indian head massage, they are so lazima ufanye.
Okay.
Yeah, one of them being relaxation. Then kama uko na headache unafanya some massage. Then kama those movements zinasaidia na blood circulation. Then muscles kama zingine zinauma, that is all about the benefit of Indian head massage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sasa tunatumia nini? What are we using to do Indian head massage?
Actually, maybe at home, you may not find yourself having massage or some baby powder over there, but you can do some techniques even using your bare hands.
Okay.
Yeah. Just labda umejishika kichwa like that, mos, pressure umeweka kidogo, then there is that you take a towel and scrub heavy at the neck to give yourself that circulation of blood. Maybe you are like, labda umeongea sana ama you find that you are not comfortable on your face, you just do like this. That is some of movements that body massage. So for today,
just before endelee, some things yenye huwa tunafanya pale nyumbani, literally they are part of massage. Tunafanyanga tu without knowing that
without knowing that you are doing some of the Indian head massage.
Well,
movements.
Fair enough. Ile ukifanya hivi sura ama ufanye something like this, kidogo ina bring that circulation of blood, unapata at least sometimes ukiumwa na kichwa unafanya something like that, unaachilia pole.
That is part
of massage. But sasa sisi huwa tunafanya in a amateur way.
Now then, whenever you find that concentration ama memory imeenda chini, you like there's that technique, you just squat, then you chuna tu masikio kidogo, then you squat like this 2 times. You will find that your memory ama your concentration.
No, do that again. Wacha kwanza niweke hii hapa hivi. Tufanye ati unafanyaje?
So maybe you are in somewhere, there was a guest maybe talking, then you find that you are bored, the concentration is low, so you find that unafaa just ku request. Ama you are the one profession talking to the congregation, you just request them to do like this. With your opposite hand.
Oh, like
this, like that. Then this ingine hivi.
Hapa at the tip, the tip. It is actually you apply a little bit of force.
Pressure kidogo. Then you try to squat. Start at that point. Then rudi juu.
What is the breathing style? The breathing.
Breathe in when you breathe going down.
Okay.
Yes, breathe in. That point. Up, breathe out.
Okay.
Then a second time.
I feel something.
Yes. Up. Like that.
I think
like
these camera guys, watu wa camera behind the camera ndio wanafaa wafanye that kind of a thing. Because saizi a little bit na feel.
You are comfortable, relaxed.
Kidogo.
Uko comfortable.
Yes.
So here we are going to deal with the shoulder, then at the back, then neck, and then head.
We were talking of what you need actually, because probably uko pale nyumbani and you want to do a Indian massage. Uko tu pale nyumbani umeamka hivi and probably your wife or husband, babe, so nifanyie hapa massage. You see that kind of a, so nifanyie hapa massage and probably that
that massage movement, squeezing the trapezius
What are
muscles.
the ingredients yenye
So-
inafaa utumie kufanya that kind of
The
massage?
ingredients is, they have a massage oil here with me. So massage oil just assist me, I'm allowed to reduce the friction when I'm just doing the movement.
Okay.
Yeah.
The friction.
But if you don't have massage oil maybe at home, you can use vegetable oil, that one for cooking. It is good because just that reduce the friction.
Mafuta ya mboga. Na
you-
ni
liquid,
tahadhari, the
sea solid.
liquid, yeah, the liquid one. And then make sure that hiyo liquid one alafu ukimaliza uende uoge. Utanuka mboga.
Ukimaliza uende wipe uoge, uta feel good.
Bure utanuka mboga. Ukipita kwa jua hivi tunasikia mayai. Hii inashindwa kunaenda aje. Okay, fair enough.
So at the first beginning of the Indian head massage, you need just a quiet place.
A quiet place.
Mahali kukuwe mwenyamaza tu. Then a chair, a client of course, and somewhere a client can rest his or her hands. Then the first movement will just, let me demonstrate as I'm just doing.
Okay.
And the first step, you can put some music kidogo too.
Yeah, that
because
cool soft music.
one of the objective of the Indian head massage to some clients is relaxation. Maybe huyu client amechoka sana na need
Umeinua
relax.
majimu ama
Yes.
umetoka
And then you find that
kubeba gunia.
between female and male, whom do you think they deserve some massage sana?
Wanaume bwana. Wanaume bwana. You
Yes.
see umetoka ku
Of course,
wanaume bwana.
wenye wanafanya kazi yenye iko
Yeah.
masculinity and then they are, kuna muscles kidogo hivi,
Okay.
they're stiff, then wanachoka.
Yeah.
I think they are the one who need. So male need more massage than female.
Okay.
Although kwa female ni sawa tu. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So request just be upright. Hivyo.
Sit upright.
Sit upright. Then after that, let's do like that. I request my client to inhale, to breathe in. Breathe in.
Breathe in.
As my client will be breathing in, I put some pressure on the shoulder.
A little bit of pressure. Okay. Let me hear that.
Yes, some pressure.
Okay.
Breathe out.
Okay.
You release. Then again, out.
So
Third
that is
time.
point of relaxation.
Yes.
Una make client feel relaxed. Na
Yes.
feel asiwe na pressure. Ako in
out.
a safe hands.
Yes. After that you may find that some relaxation imeanza kuingia sasa. That is the introduction.
Okay.
The introduction. Then if you find you see, observe my hands where they are at the shoulders. Then there is trapezium muscles.
Okay.
Hapa. So you start squeezing, gently squeezing. So as vinye tu nimesema, unaweza tumia massage oil ama bare hands. Then you may find that your client ako so sweaty. So ameanza kusweat, utumie baby powder. But for my client, due to some movement, tatumia tu massage oil.
Okay. Na i-apply kwa mkono kidogo. Hiyo sasa ndio kazi yako. Making sure that unatusupply the needs.
Yes. Then you apply just
Nimeona unafanya hivi. Mbona tu usifanye? Usipake tu kwa mkono hivi.
using a professional way. Unajua ikifanya hivi, hata mwagikia mafuta ingine ama ni waste some product. Nafanya tu hivi kidogo.
Just polepole.
Pole and just you use enough product to avoid wastage. Then you just apply the part that you are going to use.
Okay. So hiyo movement hivyo.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just applying. Sijafika kwa effleurage.
Effleurage ni nini?
Effleurage.
What is that?
Movement using your hands, your palm.
All right.
Yes. So I'm going to squeeze trapezius muscles
Okay.
like hivyo kidogo tu.
Okay. Polepole tu.
Pole tu.
Ufinyili kuwekelea pressure.
Wekelei pressure. You use your body weight.
The body weight.
Body weight ni kumaanisha si force hivi. So weight yenye tu iko na mikono ndio natumia tu.
Unaitumia
Apply
polepole.
just a little pressure. Pressure tu kidogo.
For how long? How long are you going to do that?
5 times. But of course hufai kuachilia client, hata heri uendelee tu as we are talking.
Kuna ule client atasema endelea tu, nasikia
unaendelea tu hata ukiconsult,
unasikia hata ana smile showing that anataka uendelee because alikuwa huku kulikuwa kumeshikana sana. So he's like endelea tu hadi relax.
Yes, squeeze the muscles. Of course hizi muscles ndizo zimeshikilia mkono. So you are trying to massage them so that zipate
iachilie.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Fair enough.
After that, there is that knuckle. You do some movement.
Circular movement.
Yes.
Pole pole tu pia.
Yeah. Pole pole tu.
Sasa hiyo inasaidia hiyo bone ya hapa
clavicle bone.
Inaitwa clavicle.
Yes.
Sisi watu wa PP2s hatukusoma hiyo. Hiyo ya clavicle. You apply pia a little bit of force.
Pressure kidogo.
A little bit of pressure. Okay. Fair enough.
Yezi muumiza juu. Hapa kuna mfupa. And then ukiweza apply pressure mingi, unaweza
utamuumiza. Okay.
Yes. Then after that, you find that neck iko straight hivi. So you try to stroke.
Okay. Yeah, you try to stroke that.
Stroke the neck. So what I am doing is just stroking the neck like that.
So tulianza na hivyo. Tulianza na hii movement ya hapa.
Yes.
Tukakuja hapa. Sasa saizi tuko stroking. Okay. Step by step.
I repeat the same.
The other side. Pia unatumia a little bit just pressure kidogo tu.
Pressure kidogo tu. Then motion ikue continuation. Sipeleki tu hivi then nasimama hivi naachilia. Naenda tu
kuna ile let me show you something.
Yes.
Kuna ile yenye huwa tunafanya hivi. Hadi unaweka mdomo hivi unaweka force. Unashikilia na nguvu.
Hiyo sasa ni thumb stroking. Use to your thumb.
So the same thing yenye nimefanya inaweza apply that.
Yeah, inaweza apply that.
Okay.
Yes, like that. The same. Then I'll just rotate head hivi to request my client just to
awe free.
Ni mimi
Sikaze shingo bwana. Wewe hata shingo izunguke.
Yeye anajipeleka.
Ni wewe unampeleka. Atashikwa na kizunguzungu.
Hapana, pole pole tu. Then
hakuna wale client wenye unazungukanga hivi kidogo unasikia we kizunguzungu.
Of course when you do some movement mingi unapata client anaumwa na kichwa.
Ama kuna wale wana feel like wamechemka.
Yes. So then I request my student just to do some movement hapa hivi as I explain. Hapa kwa neck, then even to the shoulder. So Mercy, you can do.
Sasa Mercy, it is your take kutuonyesha pia mafuta ni kidogo tu.
Kidogo tu, just enough.
Unaona hiyo technique.
Yes.
Ile ya pole pole tu hivi.
Mimi
ningefanya kusugua kwanza kama mafuta ya nini ya Vaseline.
Okay. Yes. Hivi.
So unamwambia Aline mbele.
Then ekele hapa like that.
Sasa hii nayo inaitwa
doing some circular movement. Yes, yenye ameguza kwa shingo, but hii ingine
so unaona inaguza kuanzia hapa kwa shingo hadi hapa kwa mgongo. So hiyo inasaidia hiyo muscles za huku nyuma.
Yes, avoiding the spine. Unajua spine ni very sensitive.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, ndio kwa sababu sijaona oil imepita hapa. So nilikuwa nataka kusema si umwage hapa hivi.
Of course, and then you find that mgongo ina need some product. So you add some product.
Una keep on adding.
Ease some movement.
So lazima tu tena mtu afanye hivyo venye Mercy amefanya.
Lazima.
Si umemwaga tu, si ya kwanza uliekelea, so ya pili ni freestyle.
Bana. Lazima use a professional way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long will that take?
Then that one, after applying the massage oil on the working ama place yenye unakuwa unawakia, then you do the full effleurage. Yes, start from here, applying some just pressure kidogo.
Unajua nasikia ni mimi ndio unanifanyia. Tunasikia kama mgongo yangu ndio ina relax.
Yes, you do effleurage, then ukifika hapa, you just squeeze the muscles.
Okay.
Hivyo, like that. You repeat squeezing.
Unaitoa chini hivyo.
Yes.
Kipanda hadi juu una squeeze.
Yes.
Well,
like that. Then you double palm knead. Using your both hands like that.
Yeah.
So you are
With a
working
circular
at the back.
motion, with
Use all the techniques in a massage
Okay.
to work at the back. Meaning that there is, after this, ataendelea kufanya double palm kneading that to that side. Then after that, okay, just wait until
she's done.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. After that, you can use your use another technique. Yes, of course, that is an effleurage. So it's just working at the back. So all the techniques like podding, tapping, anything that you feel it is comfortable with the client, you apply it at the back. Then you keep
anything
on.
that you feel is comfortable
Yes,
with your wife,
not even anything, but in massage.
Okay,
there are
in
so many techniques.
Okay, well, fair enough.
There is a friction, there is a palm kneading. So whatever you find.
So palm kneading ni ya kutumia ngumi.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sasa mimi ningeita ngumi kneading.
Hapana.
Okay, so ni palm kneading.
Yes.
Well, fair enough. Na umesema hapo kwa backbone haiguzwi.
Haiguzwi.
We are concentrating with muscles.
Muscles.
Okay.
Yeah.
Muscles ndio ile kitu important sana tuna make sure that
kwa
hizo
massage. You find that when you wako na muscular mingi ama muscles mingi, audio sasa upenda sana massage because they like enjoying the massage.
Kama mimi. Kama mimi
but you find that bones mingi ziko inaweza kuwa uncomfortable. You may just eliminate some. Keep away the movement.
Kuna jamaa behind the camera hapo is ile ifupa mikavu. So
that is podding. Hiyo ndio podding sasa.
It's fine. Now we tumeenda podding. Gonga hivyo. Just
to reduce the tension.
Okay.
You can just even do that to reduce the tension.
Unaweka ka force kidogo hivyo. Okay.
Like that. Then after that, you can even use your palm, then you fold it like this. You do like this along the spine.
Okay.
Yes. Then you keep on checking your client. Inaweza kuwa
uko sawa.
Inaweza kuwa maybe ako ana feel pain ama ako unajua kuna ile maybe ametoka sport. Ana need some, you add more pressure ama you reduce some pressure. You keep on checking your client.
Kama anasikia uchungu. Anaweza kuambia hapo. Hapo sasa hapo ndio ngumu. Make sure that hapo hivyo umeweka a good pressure.
Then after that you're going to tap.
Okay. With hapo nyuma pole tena.
Pole tu. Avoiding the spine of course.
Okay.
So this tapping movement you reduce the tension.
Okay.
Mpaka you can tap like this. Kama hivi. Ni kama tu usikue kama unamchapa. Hapana. Kidogo tu.
Ndio unaweka mdomo hivi.
Hapana. Just kidogo tu. Unasikia hata mtu akikukosea then ako like pole. That is one of techniques.
Okay.
Bado hiyo inatumika.
So pole. So kwa mgongo yote.
Kwa mgongo that then just continue hapa kwa neck.
Okay.
Kwa neck I'm just going to make some circular movement until to the hairline.
Okay.
Paka mahali nywele imefika.
Inaanzia.
Hiyo ndio sasa hairline. Na make some circular movement hivi. Nikipanda juu.
Okay, hivyo.
Yes.
Kizunguka hivyo mpaka penye nywele inaanzia. Lakini kuna pale umeacha hapa.
Hapo bado ni spine, avoid the spine.
Okay.
Hapa tulikuwa tuna apply like this using a little pressure. But hii tuna do some circular movement. Ukienda hivi.
Okay.
Circular movement. Then after that you just stand beside on the side of the client like that.
Songe huku tu.
Una apply, una use your hand hapo na hii
Nyingine inaenda hapo kwa kisogo.
Kwa forehead along hapa, hii ndio macho ya tatu iko.
Okay.
The third eye.
The third eye.
Kitambo ulikuwa unaambiwa zile vitu za ziko na macho tatu. So kama
zilikuwa zinaitwa majitu.
Majitu.
So client yetu ni jitu.
Hapana. Client yetu angekuwa jitu, angekuwa na macho ya tatu hapa. So una apply your palm hapo, then hapa nyuma tunaita occipital bone. Sasa hii
yani kisogo.
Kisogo. Unaweka mkono hivyo na hii nyingine, then you apply some pressure. You count 1 to up to 30 seconds.
30?
Yes.
Okay. 30 seconds, 30 minutes?
No, 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yes, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, when you are through, after that, you apply the same kwa pressure points huku kwa akili. Kumbuke hapa kwa very sensitive. Usi-apply pressure mingi.
Hapo kuna hizo veins.
So we are applying some pressure hivi so that apate that blood circulation.
Ni client wetu tu atatuambia hapo hivi anasikia aje. Kwa sababu mimi najaribu kusikia na kama aishiki. Okay.
Feel hapo. Then you can count 1 to 20. Then after that you do that movement. Ukuje mpaka kwa masikio. You apply some pressure kwa masikio.
Kwa masikio.
Kidogo tu.
Masikio itakuwa moto.
Hapana, yezi
au uzungushi masikio. All right. Okay.
Then so client can request you, nasikia tu nimekuwa nimechoka. Then you find that unafanya hivi. Unaeka pressure. Kama una stretch hiyo scalp ya kichwa. Even yourself you can do it at home. Umejishika tu hii side na hii diagonal hivi. Then una apply pressure hii side.
So hata hii sometimes inasaidianga kushape kichwa.
Sana wakati unasikia kichwa inauma, you must do some movement hivyo usikie sana hapa hivi.
So the work si kushape kichwa, ni ya kumake kichwa relax.
Then after that we find that after maybe kwa salon, maybe after shave umefanyiwa, unarotitiwa tu masikio so that you feel good.
Ufeel masikio ifunguke usikie vizuri.
Unachuna tu masikio using some pressure tu kidogo na rotate. Yes, na hii nyingine
the same una apply the kaka pressure.
And to our viewers is that whatever you are doing, it is not a must that you apply yote. You may find that ukiapply zote utaumwa na kichwa.
Okay.
So you choose
which one is the best yenye itafanya relax.
Okay. Because you may find yourself ukichuna masikio unasikuanga na ile itauma.
Masikio itauma. Masikio kwanza itakuwa moto.
Itakuwa moto. So hiyo technique unaiacha.
Okay.
Yes. Then the last bit of this will be after doing that, you request your client to be like that. Then you do the shampoo movement from here. You have the shampoo movement. Ni kama unajaribu like that. I repeat the same.
So you ni shampoo movement. So you pia ni mostly helps in relaxation of the head and the mind. All right.
Then after that you come to the, unaweza pata client maybe wenye mnafanyia hana nywele kubwa ama kuna nywele. We do still have some techniques zenye zinahusu nywele. So kama client wetu hakuwa na nywele, hiyo ingekuwa we are just about to finish.
Kama akona kipara.
So but ukifanya shampoo movement, after that you unashika, una rotate.
Unashika nywele?
You rotate the scalp and the finger the same time.
Lakini mtu akiwa na nywele kama sijasema yako, haifai ifanywe hivi.
So kama maybe kama nywele ilikuwa imeshukwa jana ama nini, inaweza kuwa maybe painful. Maybe. Lakini kama ya Masi iko labda imekaa, imetulia, sasa ukiguza tu maybe braid hata sikia uchungu. You must check your client kama ako comfortable. Then you rotate the fingers and the scalp. The finger and the scalp ni kucha zinazunguka and then scalp bado inazunguka. Like that. repeat.
Kichwa yote.
Kichwa yote ama to some specific point.
Oh, specific point. Ama kichwa yote. Na remember ulisema kwamba ukitumia all those techniques bwana utakuwa na kichwa. Kichwa itapata especially kama hujazoea. Kichwa itapata like unafanyia nini kichwa yangu?
Inaumia.
Inaanza like we ngoja kwanza.
Inaumia.
So unafanya kichwa yote hivyo.
You do like ni kama unangoa nywele. So
lakini usingoe.
Ni kama
unangoa unashika vizuri na scalp.
Una apply pressure tu kidogo. Unavuruta hivyo.
Kwa nini yote? Kwa kichwa yote sasa?
Kichwa yote si
point,
kwa kichwa yote, point tu kienda. So you may find that after maybe like uko na dread then mtu hata akufanyia hizi zingine za neck na shoulder ameenda tu amekuosha nywele vizuri amescratch dread yako then ako like anazivuruta twist hivyo. Hiyo massage technique huwa inasaidia in movement.
Okay.
So after that you apply some you like pod venye tu tulifanya kwa mgongo unagonga kwa kichwa but you check your client kama hayuko comfortable you don't knock kama you don't like you're fighting the client then you alert your client tutatumia this.
So every technique, thank you, every technique yenye utafanya utakuwa unaongea na client
kama ako comfortable kama hayuko comfortable you leave it,
unaenda kwa hiyo next.
Okay. And then client akikuja alikuwa amekwambia mimi nataka ni relax. So utaangalia techniques zenye zitamfanya akue relaxed.
Okay.
Yeah. So unagonga. So you may find that client anakwambia ongeza pressure. Hapo acha.
Hapo umegonga sana.
Hapo umegonga sana. Niko karibu kuumwa na kichwa. And you leave it that point.
Okay. Client unaumwa na kichwa? Hapana, ako sawa.
Ako sawa. So after that we are through with the Indian head massage but you leave it like your client relax. So you're like doing the massage ukienda ukipuuza tu unafanya tu hivi movement zikifade kidogo
Okay.
Until upate umeachilia client. Kidogo mpaka uachilie client like that. Then the same point yenye tulianza. You can request the client to breathe in. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Then you just wipe the excess. Just give me that.
The handkerchief.
No, face towel.
Oh, face towel.
Yes.
Not handkerchief.
Not a handkerchief.
All right.
So you wipe the excess massage. But kama ingekuwa ni ile mafuta ya kupika, sinaona ingebidi tumempea nini? Alafu
tumpatie kitunguu.
Hapana. Okay. Ingebidi tumempea sabuni. Aende aoge
kwanza. Ndio tulisema ikiwa unatumia sabuni ama unatumia vegetable oil una make sure that umeoga after that bure utanuka mboga.
But the reason you can ask me whether kwa nini hatuoshi hii ni mafuta maybe anakaa shiny. So you will find that some ingredients za massage oil zinasaidia kutoa that kama like they are removing the dead skin. So it is iko na ingredients zenye zinasaidia. That's why unaambiwa usioshe tu dakika hiyo. You leave it at that point and then kama client ako very shiny unaweza apply some. Unajua wanaume hatutakangi ati uende kama unakaa kama ni makeup manini. You apply just baby powder kidogo.
Baby powder. Okay. Okay, so hii ni ya kutoa excess oil.
Shine.
Oh, shine.
No, that shine.
Okay. The shine. Si atavaa nguo?
Lakini unajua, yes, anaweza vaa nguo ama alikuwa na vest. So kuna parts zinakuwa exposed.
Okay.
Ufai ati just ka hivi.
Kuna wipe pole pole.
Una wipe pole pole. So hata akivaa nguo weza pata maybe like anaenda swimming so ataonekana kama alikuwa kupika mandazi
ama yeye mwenyewe ni mandazi
ama akamwagikiwa na
So how does it feel mtu akimaliza kufanya hizi kind of a massage as a trainer, how do you tell your students mtu atafeel aje?
Mtu ana feel like ni sahi umeamka. You feel like you are fresh. You have strong.
So ameyon ni kama ndiye anaamka.
Uta feel ni kama saidi umeamka.
So that is a testimony.
That is a nice good morning.
Yeah, good morning. So good morning.
Unasikia ni kama saidio ulikuwa mahali relaxed, then it's now time to maybe do job ama to do something, need more energy.
All right.
Then you find that like massage inasaidia sana kwa circulation. You may feel like ulikuwa unauma mahali, maybe brada iko imefika kwa kichwa, unauma na kichwa, you feel like uko comfortable kwa sawa. Yeah.
Now, how are you going to prepare your students? How are you preparing your students at Uzuri to make sure that mtu ametoka hapa akiwa so comfortable doing this kind of a massage?
At Uzuri, you find that when you are enrolling as a student, you have to see whatever I've done. Then I keep on telling you whether you are improving. So ukiona kitu like sahi, maybe some of viewers ni student. Akiona tu hivi, tunakaa na yeye step by step. Namwambia fanya hii. Nikiona akona weakness in some techniques, ndio namwambia improve of this. So kuna that tuna call targets. Ama you hit your targets. You have like 10 targets to do the same. You find that umerepeat kitu, umerepeat mpaka imeingia kwa akili. Yes.
So I want us to utuguzie tena what we were doing kwa sababu probably mimi hata kwanza nilisahau. Niliona ulianza sijui na wapi huku nini step by step pole tu tuambie this is the way you do, this is the way you go, after this step you go to this step. Tukiona so that by the end of the day tutoke hapa tukijua kwamba this is the right way of doing this kind of a massage.
Yeah. Of course in Indian hand massage we dealt with shoulder, that is including the back, but not a must. You may find that your client maybe amefanywa aftershave. Aftershave, unapata amenyolewa, that is what I meant by aftershave. Amenyolewa, then you need to paka spirit, aftershave, nini, hizo vitu zote. So you may find that unafanya Indian hand massage kwa neck and then kwa head. So you don't need, kama client hawiko comfortable kutoa nguo, you can just use neck and head. Then for our case, tulianza shoulder, then back, after back, neck, head.
Okay.
And I said before I started that Indian hand massage has over 30 movements, but you cannot apply all of them.
All of them.
One, this is because you don't know the objective of the client. Maybe client anaumwa na kichwa. There are some techniques kama hiyo ya kugonga hivi. You may avoid it because it increase head pain.
Yeah.
And then you may find that una apply that at the pressure point, apply some pressure to reduce that. Labda anasikia kichwa inauma, unafanya tu hivi. So your techniques ama your movement zita involve zenye hazitaumiza juu anaumwa na kichwa. And then you may find that out of 29 movements, juzi kwa like 30. Ukifanya zote, client aweza kuwa uncomfortable. You check using the objective. Labda anataka kichwa hii cool ama anataka relaxation. You concentrate according to the objective of the client. Yes.
Okay. Labda anataka relaxation. You concentrate. You concentrate with what?
Sana kama ni relaxation hapa kwa shoulder. And then clavicle bone hapo. Yes.
So that is the most important point.
Yes.
And inafaa take care
concentrate. And then it is not a must that we client akwe hana nguo. You can do like akona nguo.
You concentrate only on the shoulder.
Shoulder. You squeeze the trapezius muscles. You do all the techniques. Zile tulifanya circular movement. You squeeze them a bit like that. Yeah.
By the end of the day,
client will be relaxed.
Takuwa relaxed.
Yeah.
So you will tell us how you feel, but before that you can talk to us on our social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok. These program lifestyle of course is just there to make sure that you know these techniques. Of course ukiwa pale nyumbani you make sure that ukiwa umechoka kidogo you do this kind of a massage and utakuwa sawa. Other, thank you so much. I want the client kwanza utuambie how do you feel sir?
Niko fresh, nasikia tu na relax. Nilikuwa na mental issues, nasikia tu at least
Zime-evaporate. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
With Mercy making sure that umefanya client ame-evaporate the things zenye zilikuwa zinamsumbua ame-relax, and we believe that sasa this is a medicinal too.
Yes. This is if you refer that unaambiwa uende Indian hand massage so that kama uko na headache ama ulikuwa mahali noisy ama you feel like kama wewe umesimama tu the whole day like this huku kwa mabega, so you find that it is you are giving your body medicine wakati unafanya Indian hand massage. That's why it is called medicinal treatment.
How often should you do that? Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, after 2 years?
Actually hii haina masaa.
Okay.
Kitu yenye naweza limit, usitumie vitu mingi zenye usi overdo. But the moment umefanya kazi kidogo then you find that umechoka, then you need some relaxation, just do.
Okay.
Sio lazima ni kuja ati invite kwako nikufanyie. You can do it for yourself.
Okay.
Like umeshika tu kichwa hivi, apply that.
Na mafuta ya mboga, of course.
Of course I said that it's not a must utumie hata mafuta ya mboga. You can use the bare hands to do some techniques. So hapo kwa ati unafaa kufanya lini au unafanya wakati gani, provided umechoka, that is the right time.
Provided umechoka, that is the right time.
Yeah.
Okay. So see weekly,
then kama wewe unakuwa unachoka kila siku, ni tutembelee tu hapo then upate una some like 20 minutes za massage.
Yeah, I was to ask you how long should this take, because mtu anaweza kuja huko it is just lunch break and fanyie massage haraka nikimbie niende. How long should it take?
The same, unaweza sikia naumwa na kichwa, naweza fanya aje? Nakwambia tu breathe in, breathe out, that is enough. Ama naumwa na kichwa and then ni apply hii. So haina limit provided I know the objective. Haina limit.
As long as unajua the objective
of the client.
Mercy.
Yes.
Hii kazi umemaliza. You know everything. In uzuri uko na shati nzuri sana ya uzuri. This umemaliza. Other is doing a great job, right? So wewe ukitoka hapa uko sawa. Tutapitia kwa hiyo palo tujue mambo iko aje. Other, thank you so much with Mercy and our client Mr. David for having time and sharing to us all these kind of techniques. We will apply these.
Actually, this is just part of what we do in Uzuri.
Okay.
You find that kuna vitu mingi sana. Even yourself, unakuja tu, you know some techniques like barbering ama makeup. Kuja tu ufanye, then you just go on with your work. So, unakuja tu nakufunza some techniques you can do in Indian. Then you una concentrate na vitu zako. So this is just part of what you do. Yeah.
Remember, this program is sponsored by Uzuri Institute. That's why Other together with Mercy are here to make sure that all this information si atu wamejifungia tu here in Uzuri Institute, but to share it. Thank you so much, Mercy, together with Other and David. Thank you so much, viewer, for making sure that you stick there to learn a little bit of Indian massage. When we started, I thought personally that Indian massage is for Indians, not for Africans. Of course, we have heard from Other that it is just a good medicine to make you relaxed. Uzuri Institute, tunawashukuru sana, of course, for sharing the information. Na ikiwa you want to visit us at Uzuri Institute, you are welcome to make sure that those small courses that Other is talking about, you get the information about that. My name is Joseph Oki, and this is Lifestyle. Till next Saturday, of course. Remember to share this. Make sure it reaches many people so that they can know about this. This is Lifestyle Saturday. Until then, see you. God bless you.